In this presentation, you're going to see the help desk module from the People Reckoner tool. This presentation gives you an insight on the help desk module, how you could use to get an infrastructure support you need by raising a ticket to the concerned department or to the concerned person. Help desk gives you an access to the hardware and software support, and the testing tickets and the queries can be created and assigned to the concerned group. In this slide, you're going to see how you could go to the help desk to add or raise a ticket, see the pending ticket list, and how to assign a ticket to the concerned person using the ticket user setup, and could also explore the support ticket raised, action taken, and the closed ones during the specific date range period. In this slide, you could see how you could add a new ticket and add a ticket referring the existing ticket number if any. So, while raising a ticket, the major pieces of information can be captured are the ticket subject used to give a brief detail about the issue faced. The next one is the ticket group, which helps you to assign a ticket to the particular group, for example hardware support, software support, ticket queries, etc. Priorities can be done by prioritizing the ticket, and tickets can be assigned to the particular person or to the particular department, and could put a brief command explaining the issue in detail, and could also upload the screenshot or a file which could help the particular group to identify and fix the issue quickly. The screenshot talks about the pending ticket which are created. You could view the tickets and you could filter the pending ticket list using the specific date range, ticket group, ticket type, etc. This slide talks about how you could assign a particular ticket to the particular person. If you are an admin user such as team manager, supervisor, etc., being an admin user, you could assign a ticket to your own team members, or you could also view the ticket which has been assigned to your team members, and data can be imported and extracted in an Excel format. This slide allows you to explore and export the support ticket by filtering using a specific date range. Thus, this presentation gives you a fair idea about how the help desk module works, which will automate your entire work operation, making sure the employee gets the right support in the stipulated time frame, and the management has a clear view about what's happening in the workflow. For more details, please feel to call us on the below mentioned support number, or log on to www.farsightitsolution.com. Thank you.